Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a simple soft nude makeup especially for teenagers. Definitely anybody can recreate this look, but मैंने इसको specially teenagers के लिए ही बनाया है and I also maintain this look very subtle and मैंने glitter nail polish apply किया है, थोड़े से accessories डाला है to keep it very simple. So without wasting more time, let's get started to the video. First I'm going to apply moisturizer, and for that I'm using the Bio Coconut from Biotic, and never forget to apply your moisturizer because this is the only thing which locks your foundation for the entire day. Now I'm going to apply the Nika Prepper primer on my T-zone and gently drag my fingertips all over my face. And now I'm going to apply this Fit Me foundation, and my shade is 310. And first I'm going to dot it the foundation with my fingertips all over my face and my neck area, and don't forget to apply this on your ears as well. And then after that I am going to blend this out with the flat kabuki brush, and here I am using a brush from Pune store. This is the best way to blend your foundation if you are a novice, and this is going to make the base very smooth and very clear. And now it's time to apply the concealer, and for that I'm using the Photo Focus concealer from Wet n Wild, and here I'm going to add little bit of concealer on the high points of my face and little bit on the inner corners on the underneath of my eyes, and again I'm using the same brush to blend it out thoroughly. Stretch your face with your tongue when you are working with concealer. And now I'm going to set the foundation and concealer together. For that I'm going to spray some water on the sponge, and now I'm going to dab the sponge all over my face like this way to make it more flawless and more smooth. And also this will help to reduce any kind of fine lines and a breakage on your skin. Now to set everything in place, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Compact, and my shade is 03 Golden Medium, and I'm going to apply this on the underneath of my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, little bit on the around of my mouth, and little bit on my forehead as well. And if you have any kind of darkness on your neck area, then you can also brush off this compact on your neck area as well. And now to warm up my face, I'm going to use this peach dark peachy brown shade on the hollows of my cheek and little bit on my nose and chin area. Now I'm using this matte peachy shade from the palette Ultra Glow eyeshadow from Miss Claire brand, and I'm going to use this all over my eyelid and also a little bit on my waterline. And here I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush from the brand Pune store. If you are not comfortable with this kind of brushes, you can always use your fingers. And now I'm using this pink shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid with my fingertips. And again I'm using this glittery shade on the inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm going to dust off my brows. For this look I'm not going to create a dramatic brow, I'm just going to define it a little bit more. So for that I'm using this brown shade from the L'Oreal Brow Artist Kit, and here I'm going to draw my art little bit and also apply this on my inner corners as well. And this time I'm using an angular brow brush from the Pune store brand. And now I'm using this pink shade, and I'm going to apply this with my fingertips on the apple of my cheek. this is a beautiful pink shade and gives you a right amount of natural glow on your cheeks. And I'm going to use little bit on my nose and little bit on my chin and little bit on my forehead as well. And now I'm going to use this flat kabuki brush, and I'm going to blend all the blush that I have applied on my cheeks. Now I'm going to create a soft winged eyeliner. And for that I'm using this Lotus Pearl Shine eyeliner, stick eyeliner. If you are a teenager or a novice, then you can use this kind of stick eyeliner to create a winged liner. Now I'm going to add some mascara on my upper eyelashes, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal Paris False Lash Superstar Mascara. Now I'm applying the lipstick, and for that I'm using the Almond Pink from the Maybelline Creamy Matte. And now I'm going to apply the highlighter, and I'm using this LA color palette, and I'm using this peach highlighter for the high points of my face. And now I'm going to accessorize myself with this gold top earring and also with this golden chain. And that's the final look. I hope you all like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.